I am Teresa Sitten. I am the ambassador of Finland here in Tanzania, and today we are visiting Morogoro. I am here with a group of Finnish colleagues, both from the embassy and from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Today we are here in the Sawa project to see the activities. We decided to fund Sawa last summer. It's a project of 2 years. Today I have seen wonderful examples of the women traders. They are in the field of tailoring, they are in repairing computers and cell phones, very impressive, and also the tailoring is impressive. I just bought a beautiful dress from them, and we heard also the activities, how they are developing fish farm, and then they are also doing pottery and also beauty saloon training. So they are doing training and learning in very many different fields. And these wonderful ladies, they will also continue to train other ladies when they are finally, they have achieved the objective to learn this particular field. So we support that very much. We still have a long way to go. We have 1.5 years. I'm looking forward to have come and make another visit here again and to see how everything is going. And I was particularly happy to hear that the regional authorities here, they have a cooperation with Sawa, so that when the ladies they come to the stage when they actually can open their own small companies, they would be able to be supported with the finance from the authorities here. And that's a beautiful example of sustainable development and new jobs and income for these ladies. And so that is for the particular project we are looking at now today. But more broadly, why is Finland doing this? This is because two things. Firstly, we believe that to support women economically, so that they can be economically independent, also reach leadership skills, it's important. They are also becoming good mothers in that way, and we support that aim in various ways. We work with local authorities and the UN, with the UN Women, with the UNFPA, in various ways to support the rights of women as well. Then we are also supporting Uongozi Institute, which we kind of funded together with the government of Tanzania some 10 years ago. They are also leadership skills education for women, and a big amount of those women have come very far. So that gives extreme pleasure to see that has brought very concrete results as well. And then more broadly also jobs. There are a big amount of youth that is looking for interesting things to do and employment. So we are also with other civil society projects, we are also supporting youth employment in various fields here in mainland, and also we have a project in Zanzibar. But I'm looking forward to still have 3 years as an ambassador in Tanzania, and I hope that during that time we can work together more and more. Thank you.